Good morning, students. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to do the reading practice for the students of class 7. The name of the lesson is The Daffodils. So I will read the lesson and you just follow me and practice at your home. So let's begin. The Daffodils. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the spark. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The waves beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. So this was the poem, The Daffodils. Hope you liked it and you will practice it. I hope that you will not find any word difficult to pronounce and hope for the best. The name of the poet is William Wordsworth, great poet. So hope that all of you like this poem. Do practice regularly at your home. Any kind of difficulties, any problems, please write down on the comment box below. And please like the video and share as much as you can. Thank you very much. Have a good day.